Also, as you can tell, I'm a fan of the Insta360 cameras. Oh yes, and I don't even have all of them. I have all the way back to the original Insta360, the X, the X2, the R, the RSs, the Go, the Go 2, the Go 3S. Uh, we've got lots to use, and I have loved every one of them. Everyone, they all have these cool updates. Now, some of the biggest updates for me were with the Ace Pros. These ones here, right? The Ace Pros, because they increased their ability to shoot in the dark. So for me that does riding, motorcycle riding, I get caught in the dark all the time. So being able to actually have cameras that can kind of see in the dark is a big deal. So when I saw Insta360's new trailer for their looks like new 360 camera, which may be a replacement, not a replacement, an add-on to these, I thought very cool. Here's the trailer.
Look, I don't take no losses, simple. Stand up, die, want 10 toes. Looking in the mirror, who better than me? Got their hands high, tell them that I'm out of their reach. I know I want a few M's, so I'm up, making it happen. To the back laughing. Look, took a few L's, but now I'm way up. You should see they reaction. Whoa.
So, two things that are my hopes, and I don't know if they're doable. One of them looks like it may be a for sure thing. Again, I don't know, is pure video in the actual 360 cam. What is this 360 cam called? I don't know. Is it new or just an updated version? I don't know. But that's pure video. If they can put even if it's the pure video quality of the Ace Pro in an X4, yeehaw. If it is the quality of the Ace Pro 2 in a X whatever quality camera, super awesome. Down with it. Now, that would also maybe lead into the sensors getting bigger on these, which again should be cool. Imagine 1-inch sensor in these, which may not be a big ask, with more and more companies now actually putting 1-inch sensors in their cameras. So maybe this is Insta360's, them being like, we're listening, let's go, let's do it, let's get it out there, and let's really compete with all these pocket cameras that are pushing 1-inch sensors. So I think that would be awesome. I don't know, but I think it's awesome if it were to happen. My last one, and to be honest with you, I'd put this in front, for me, I'd put this in front of even the 1-inch sensor, but it'd be if it could somehow magically do 8K 60, because it does 8K 30, right? So usually on a motorcycle, I actually ride and I record in 5.7K 60. If this could do 8K 60, and then I could have 8K 60 on the X whatever, the new one, right, that's coming out, I'd be like, yes. That I could do 4K 60s on these cameras, and then if I'm using these for, let's say, a little more like static shots, 5.7K 60 would be great. Little side shots that are being messed around with. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Anyways, you guys saw the trailer. It's coming out or being announced on the 22nd. I will be watching. Oh yes, I will be watching, and hopefully I can get my hands on one. Because, yes please. Yes please.